On the chart like a priest in the zone, praying to the wicks and the candles tone, sipping that slippage, feeling that FOMO, portfolio flex like it's early promo, sacrifice fiat, sun in the pump, altars of alpha, wells get plump, lunar eclipse, my stop loss missed, and I'm baptized in that bullish bliss. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains, light up the sky, burn off our chains. Bring us the gains. Eyes wide shut, undefine with the play, spirit in sync with the market's phase. Confluence hit, I go full send. Lambo dreams that never end. Fibonacci carved in stone, sacred trend lines, bullish tone. Chart prime whispers in my ear. Take the trade, release the fear. Burn the down, cleanse the wick. Let the dip be real quick. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains. Gains, the bulls break all our chains. To the moon with crypto flames. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains. On the chart like a priest in the zone, praying to the wicks and the candles tone, sipping that slippage, feeling that FOMO, portfolio flex like it's early promo, sacrifice fiat, sun in the pump, altars of the alpha, wells get plump, lunar eclipse, my stop loss missed, now I'm baptized in that bullish bliss. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains, gains, and the bulls break all our chains, to the moon with crypto flames. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains.
Oh, moon gods, bring us the gains. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to Le Moon. Thank you all for joining me this evening. It is Thursday, January 15th at 10:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Pretty, kind of a boring day, it looks like it was. I wouldn't know. I mean, now I know, but I miss it all. Miss it all, of course. Told you guys I was going to be busy this week, and that's exactly what has been happening. So hopefully next week we'll be able to get back into the charts. We'll see a lot going on in the personal work life, and so we're going through a transition period, and it's not that type. Going through a transitional period, and it's not rough. It's just it's just a lot. So you step into a manager role, and it's just kind of like, I don't know. It's a lot. So trying to get all my ducks in a row, trying to get everything going with all of that. So once everything starts going smoothly with that, I should be able to be a little bit more active in the charts and in the trading. So looking forward to that. But right now, we're going through all the trials and tribulations and all that stuff, and we just continue to push forward and hope for the best. Prepare for the worst, hope for the best. It's all that we can do. I have taken a couple of trades and did not go well because I just don't trade when you can't really focus on the charts. Let's put it that way. Now, it's not my personal money, of course. I'm still in the breakout evaluation phase, and haven't had a really good past couple of weeks as far as that goes, which is fine. It's just kind of it's not really forcing trades. It's probably me not really taking, maybe not even taking the best trades, probably because it's like I see something and it's like, well, they just don't play out. So it's kind of like, you do the same thing 100 times, and you know, if you win 50% of the time, it's going to work out. But it's like if you can only do so much, if you can only trade, like I've traded maybe 4 times this week, I think maybe taken 4 trades, maybe. And it's like, well, if you can't get the multiples, it's just not really going to work out. So that's kind of what I'm dealing with. Getting a little bit of a move here. We might try to get one while we're live. So we'll see. But before we do that, let's go ahead and say good evening to the chat. How's everybody doing? Good evening, good evening, good evening. Mike Volmer, thank you for being here. We're just going to run through it. What's going on? Alexandra G, Mod Boss, Mod Queen, Mod God, thank you for being here and posting that Discord link in the chat. I do greatly appreciate you doing that, as always. Let's see. We got GT Jack in here. What's going on? Good evening. We got Milk T Griper. What's going on? Teague Ripper. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. What's going on? How you doing? We'll just call you Milk. Milky Milk. Got Milk. What's going on? Johnny December. How you doing? Thank you for being here. We got All Set in the house. What's up, fam? We got Mark Dutch, the Dutchinator. The Duchess of... wait, that's... Sorry. I'm going to come up with something one day that'll rock your world, Dutch. I know you want me to rock your world. What's going on? J Rizzle, JR in the house. What's going on, bro? JR's been holding down the beach house. His channel in the Discord. Greatly appreciate you for doing that. JR, you're amazing. What's going on, Harpski? What's going on? Metal Horns, of course. Let's see, who else we got? We got Blue Collar Traders. I still love that name. Awesome intro. Thank you. I've really got to put something like solid together, something. It's not cheesy, I don't think, but it just needs more. Let's see, we've got blue collar traders. Who else is a blue collar trader? Put a 1 in the chat if you're a blue collar trader, meaning you have a day job and you're blue collar, but you still trade on the side. That's your side hustle. Who else we got here? Right for you it is. It's Friday, Johnny. Yeah, how you doing? Ooh, we got LBC OG Melissa One Love in the house. Thank you for being here, Melissa. I'm starting to think I might have to send out some more stickers, because if you haven't gotten them, that's kind of crazy. Shouldn't take that long. You're gonna kill it, bro. It will be mindless habit in no time. Yeah, there we go. Thank you for that, JR. Do greatly appreciate you for that. And let's see. 3 people just dropped off, I guess. Yep, we got ones. Steven Farmer, how you doing? We got Wick 589. Oh my God, you have 1 trillion followers. That's close. If we are speaking in meme coin terms, yes, I have 1 trillion followers. What's going on, Chadwick? Thank you for being here. Do greatly appreciate it. We got RS Miller in the house. I'm retired. Does a jumpsuit count? I'll allow it. You're retired. How old are you, Dutch? No offense. Or maybe you're retired because you got wealthy at a young age or something. Who knows? Let's see. Oh, yeah, right. Congrats on the 1K. Thank you, Johnny December. I thought you might have already said that, but that's okay. I'm transitioning. That's a little TMI. Oh, Bruce Hilton. Don't mean to skip over you. Castile. Don't mean to skip over you either. And yeah, thank you guys. Thank you all for being here. I do greatly appreciate you. Congratulations, man. Thank you, bruh. Bruh. Thanks, bruh. All right. Le Chatse. Music? Should we get some music going? It is the Friday stream. It is the last stream of the week. I still consider it the Friday stream because technically it's Friday in the Bitcoin and trading world. All right, here we go. Let me turn down the volume before I wreck your ear holes. There we go. And I needed to turn it down on my headphones. There we go. All right, let's get into it, guys. Let's see. We need to scale. Yeah, we need to scale soon. Let's get that laser printer. Wow, that was fast getting 1,000. Congrats. Yeah, it only took 4 years. Really fast. But in August, I was at 300 something. And really big thanks to Alexo Crypto for really pumping those numbers up. And I greatly appreciate him for that. But thank you, RS Miller. Do greatly appreciate you. Okay, let's see. What do we got? So, first thing I notice is relatively equal lows here. Same here. So we have a bunch of equal lows over here. We're getting a push to the upside right now. I have the Asia orb on a 15-minute. Getting above that, and we're starting to see a little bit of a push, but we are on the 1 minute. Just got to figure out that 1 minute, man. Let's put on VWAP, see where we're at. Okay, so we're below VWAP right now. Volume is up here. A little bit down here. That's below all these relatively equal lows. This is a 15-minute orb, this gray box. Or not orb, order block. I would like to see us get down here and tap that order block, sweep these lows, and get a bounce. I really want to. That's what would be nice. Get down here, sweep those lows, get the bounce off of the. Where'd it go? It just died. Where's refresh? Where's the refresh? Yeah. Oh well. Let's do fixed range volume profile then. Oh. So we are. Let's go from the low real quick. Yeah, still above point of control. See if it can hold it and get a bounce. If we can get a bounce here. So we got the point of control and the 15-minute orb sitting right below us, the bottom of this 15-minute orb. I'd like to see, can we get a bounce? Got a fair value gap down here. Can we get a bounce? Get above that VWAP. Get a nice tap. Nice tap ski. Bullish engulfing. Up to the top of the 15-minute orb. Of course, it's very, very small. I mean, you're talking about low margin, high leverage type of trade. Not financial advice. Oh, dumping. Negated. All right, yeah, let's go for the lows. Let's go for the lows. Go for them lows. Took out this low here. Got to close below it. Let's see if it can. Yeah, so we're getting that little pop up. Let's see if it'll create a fair value gap here. If it can create that fair value gap, come back into it. Come down here. Take these lows. Get a shift in your structure. Run it back up. Yeah, if I don't see my setup, it's not happening. Don't like that. Who we got? I hate orcs. Yeah, me too. As a hobbit, I hate orcs. Say I'm a hobbit, but at least I'm taller than Alexo Crypto. Slightly. Got him beat by a few inches. What are we doing? What are we doing? Not really seeing it much here. Let's go to. Let's see if we can see anything here. Solana. Let's go to the 15. Bounce off a demand. But no hands, no hands. Supply. So it's the last up move here. I'm gonna go last down move here. You can see it came down, got a bounce off of that. So it's that last 15-minute candle before the push down that broke the low. Okay, and then you take the last 15-minute candle here before the shift here. Boom. Break that. You come back to the demand. And I think this should push up to here, up to about 143.39. We also have a fair value gap here, so that's liquidity for it to want to run up to and potentially clear and then get to the to the order block. The Asia session likes to run order blocks. I think I have found we should probably start running that every single night and just watch it. Drawdown, my best friend. What are y'all talking? Y'all are going off. Buy more squid too. Not financial advice. I didn't say that. I'm just reading the chat. Hey, the value is in the chat. Oh, I see how it is, B team. I see how it is. We love the chat though. We love the wave riders. You're all absolutely amazing and beautiful. The value is in the chat. You know, I can't disagree. I can't disagree. Value is in the chat because the value is in the people. Now, we do have red money flow here on the 15. Let's go to the 5. But the true 7 and the momentum were above the 0 line. The 5, we're still seeing a little bit of red money flow as well. This did take the 15-minute orb, and it's taken VWAP. I got half of mine to take along. Do we have money flow in the green anywhere? Even on the 1 minute? Okay, the 1 minute is flashing. Let's have green money flow. Do we have Bitcoin falling? Potentially. What's NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ's getting a little bit of a push. Did get a close above this high. Getting a little bit extended on this VWAP. Counter trend. There you go. Value area, don't lie. Which value area? Drawing from where? That's what I want to know. Yeah, back below, point of control. Really, you want to pull your value area from a swing high to a swing low, or swing low to swing high, depending on where you are. In this instance, it would be a swing low to swing high. Let's see. Can you click on it, please? Hello? 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 There we go. Reason being is you want to take in a range. And a range is swing high to swing low or swing low to swing high. That's where you get. That's one way to count a range. You can also get a sideways range as well, which is what I had pulled over here. Just this little sideways range. And there we go. Because this is the most recent price action. That's why I want to take that in. I mean, I can take in the New York session. I think, in my opinion, you should at least include, I mean, that's what I did. You should go back to the 8:30 because that's when futures open. And that is when volume really starts to pick up. All right, so we're at the point of control. Can it get back above it? Yeah, we're just sideways. This is one of those, like, long the lows, short the highs until it breaks. You get tap, 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 tap. So if it comes back up to it, hits it, comes out, just short entry. Try to run it back to the lows where you got multiple taps. Still like those relatively equal lows too, but you make sure you take your profit prior to that because we have been getting bounces sooner than those lows. So you want to take some kind of profit off the table before you get what, you don't want to just hold for the lows you think we're going to. You want to make sure you're taking profits at lows that you've already gotten to. Taking profits along the way. I want to see if there's anything that's like really good to trade during Asia other than Bitcoin. I know XRP is very popular in the Asia Pacific region, the APAC region. So I'm curious to find out, to look at this during the Asia session. So we might start looking at this a little bit more often. See, this would have been a nice trend trade. Would have been a real nice trend trade. I'm not saying, man, this, not a fan of this current structure on anything right now. It all looks like crap. So let's just go ahead. Let's zoom out. Let's take a look at what we're looking at. Okay, we haven't gotten back to these highs to retest those yet. Let's see. Let's zoom in here. Let's turn the VWAP off. It's kind of noisy. Let's go to the daily. The value area is in the chat. We call it compression in the anchor world. Compression? What, the sideways range? The anchor world? Speaking of anchors, shout out to the anchor gang. Look at that. So if we go from the swing low, place an anchor VWAP on the swing low, it actually comes up. Let's see. This is the daily chart, so let's do this. And it's right below the midpoint of this daily fair value gap. Can we add confluence? Can we go from the low to the high? We did this last night, I do believe. And we have the 50% retracement right around the same area. Could it come down and mitigate this fair value gap and come down to the golden pocket? Yes. However, a strong bounce, something that the bulls would prefer to see, would be a bounce like this, off this level. Off that midpoint. If the VWAP can come up and get a tag too, that would be fantastic. We have our money flow is green. Potential bear div on the daily. But still thinking 3 drives. And then we build up these lows. And then we wreck them. We'll see. Okay, fine. I will hit the like button. Oh. Thank you, RS Miller. BTC chilling now. Will it go down more? That's my thesis. I'm still I'm sticking to this type of move. Build up all these lows. And if you've been, for those that haven't been following me for a while, this is not the type of move you want to see. You have a lot of overlap between the waves. Shout out to the wave riders. Shout out to waves. Shout out to the ocean. You get a lot of overlap, which is really not what you want to see. If you are to be in a bullish or any kind of trend, whether it's up or down, it's not what you want to see. If you are, in this instance, if you're wanting to be bullish or if you're wanting to be bearish, it's not really something you want to see. It's not signaling strength. It's signaling we're barely making it. We're barely making it, bruh. We're barely making it. And yeah, oftentimes you do get bear divs that come in early. Okay, they're early signals, which is definitely what this could be. This is Allset's favorite song. Remember to use stop loss? Yes, absolutely, Allset. Bitcoin is Bitcoining again. What's going on? Infinite Team TA. Hey, we got V Monitor in the house. What's going on, bro? Thank you all for being here. Need to see if we have some time either tomorrow or Saturday or even Sunday to have a Discord hangout. Haven't done that in a while. I know Melissa's been wanting to do one, so let's try to get one done. Let's try to get a Discord. Seasick already. It's about the motion in the ocean. Shout out to David. Y'all are crazy, man. And I love it. Anchor 4 hour at 112 1500. Yeah. I assume because this was the last low before it made this run up. I bet somebody out there is drawing some really ugly head and shoulders here. And they're calling it complex. Call it the Siamese head and shoulders. Ride a little wave with me. Have the macro 50 and this range 50 right around the same area. I don't know, man. I still think it's gonna come down before we get a bounce and move back to the upside. Be nice, leaving behind a 1 hour fair value gap, because that would be liquidity that the market would want to come back to and attack. Wifey knows, Dutchy knows, wifey knows. I know that wifey knows, that Dutchy knows, that wifey knows, that Wick knows, that V Monitor knows, that Allset knows about the knowing of the knowing. No economic data today. No economic data tomorrow. Let's see what we have to look forward to next week. Real quick. We got core PCE coming out Thursday. Wow, there's nothing. Nothing Monday, nothing Tuesday. No one cares about the UK unemployment rate. Nothing Wednesday. And then Thursday, we've got core PCE. And that's it. We really don't have anything next week, which is typically good trade weeks. Typically better for intraday trading. Scalping can be good on higher volatility days. Really, the setup is what I like to look for. Doesn't really. Solana trying to get a bounce off the trend. Is that an SFP on Solana? Swing failure pattern, for those who don't know. That's what an SFP is. Potentially. I still think it'll get up to that 150, 151, 153 at least. I don't like these lows. Martin Luther King Day. What? Y'all are crazy. Monday is a holiday. Didn't Trump kill... Wait, hold on. Didn't Trump get rid of Martin Luther King Day? I know he was listening to, or said he was going to. Oh, okay. Shout out to RS Miller. Yes, the markets will be closed Monday. At least the stock markets. Okay. MLK Day is Monday. So markets will be closed. Or the stock market will be closed. Let's see, this is 4 hour. Let's go from the swing low. Let's anchor to the swing low. Yeah. 132.34 is where the anchored VWAP currently rests. We've got these built up lows in here. I'd be careful. So, all right, let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see. So if this breaks trend, I'll want to look for. Let's put this. We got this low here. So if we can break trend, maybe get a bounce. Create some relatively equal lows. I mean, we already have some might not even need to do that. I would look for a pullback and then continuation down. Clear these lows. Go take liquidity. Get a low time frame, shift and market structure, and then move to the upside. And that's the thing, when you're working out a potential bottom, especially a macro bottom, it can take some time. It takes time. And so it's got to build up that liquidity. You got to get rid of those bears, man, if you want to move to the upside. As long as you're selling and you ain't got enough buyers, you're gonna move to the downside. Really, we just need people to. We need a better economy. We need people making more money. We need some $2,000 stimulus checks to boost the market. Failed orb. Correction for a few weeks, then lift off. Yeah, I mean, that's what we were going over last night, that we might continue to see some correcting. We might even see some, another low put on Bitcoin. Like a new low, new high time low. Been going over it this week. Just the weekly oscillators. Show, not going to be on this one. Show it again, just to refresh everybody's brains. So every time we've come down and tagged the minus 50 here, at least on the, or it's actually the minus 100. This is on the Chart Prime Oscillator Pro Plus. You can try to find it on, let's see if we can add, let's just do just a simple RSI. Tap, 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 tap. Low was in here. Let's do Bitstamp because I want to get all the history in here. Let me make sure you can still see, kind of. Yeah, see, we've already gone over this, but let's see. This tapped the low for the first time here. The minus 100. Is that what it is? Oh, it's a 30. Duh. Tap the 30 on the weekly. That's important. We're on the weekly. But it put in another low. Then you get a move to the upside. This one, you get a tap of the low. That was the low. And then you get a macro bottom. Tap it again. Macro. You get one more low to put in. So it's about figuring out or trying to see, are we going to get that extra low? Or is the bottom already in? According to RSI, it's the first time I've looked at RSI on the weekly. The chart prime low already hit. But the RSI low has not yet hit. So that's interesting. New data points. We like new data. Hey, what's going on, Crypto Squid? TI in the house. What's going on? Trade Intuition. Bingo and a bango. Let's see those magnets in the chat. We know Joe loves the magnets. Dutch said, Trump. Black people love me. I've always been nice to black people. In fact, some of my best housekeepers are black people. Jesus Christ. Canceled. No. I don't care. Let's see. It's just jokes. Just jokes. Trying to see. I mean, the RSI hasn't hit yet, so where's one where we put in? So over here. So this is what's interesting. So this one tapped the low here, but so did RSI. But RSI put in another low. Yeah, I mean, I think just based on history, I mean, really the last 3 times, is this time going to be different? We want to, we kind of want the RSI to continue to come down, which means we would likely probably, I'd say it's likely we would see another low come in on Bitcoin, a new low below the 74K or the 80K. We have 74K here. I'm just not super. I'm not gonna go super bull mode yet. I just can't. We still are. There's my 52-week SMA. You know, historically, the 52-week, once you break it, you close 2 candles below it. I mean, historically, that's, and you always you always come back up to it, and then you come back down. After a bull run, let's be clear. You break, come back up to it, come back down. You break. This one actually didn't get a full retrace. Came back down. So, once you break it though, the point is, once you break it, it's kind of like, alright. And that's what we did. After a bull run, we've broken the 52-week. And we're trying to make our way back up to it. You fail, come back, and you go lower. I mean, I'm on the Bisamp, so I can delete this. That's cool. There you go. Let's go from low to our current high. So the 1.272, 75K, 75,804. Then a 1.618 at 69,783. I don't know that we break. I don't know that we break below 69K. Simply because we kind of built up a lot of liquidity right there, right below it. Also, it's the last cycle's all-time high was 69. And so if you just take in these highs, once you break, come back, you tap, come back. I'd really like to see that level hold. But there is a chance that, I don't know, man. Do we really think we're going to come back to where we were when the ETFs were launched? I don't know that we're going to see that happen. I mean, it's not impossible, but let's take a look at this previous cycle here. Let's go from the low, bear market low, to the high. Where did we get down to? 786. Okay. Let's go from low to high. 786 is at $39,189. 50% retracement of this whole move gets you right to that $70,000 level, so just above that $69,000 level. And of course, if we just look at, your Elliott wave theory, a 5-wave crashing structure. Dang it. Let's get rid of the magnet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Coming right back to, see, right now I would just treat this as a demand zone. Pretty big demand zone, but I'm cool with it. Are you cool with it? I'm cool with it. I'm also cool with the fact that I could be wrong about the 5-wave structure, and that this could just be one giant freaking ABC correction. Maybe come to the midpoint of this range. Let's take a fixed range volume profile of this range and see what we got. Okay, so the point of control of that range is right there at that 67.6. Value area high is right there at that 69,000. Look at all the white in here. That is bullish. That is buy delta. It's positive delta, meaning way more buyers than sellers. And I think a lot of people would definitely consider, at this point, anything below 75K to be a pretty nice discount. Let's clear all this off. Get rid of all 20 drawings. Yes, yes, yes. Here. This is the Bitstamp chart. This is my play with the historical data chart. Play it day by day, that's right. Love you too, Dutch. Are you leaving? Bruh, the spam calls have been ridiculous for me. Little pro tip, do not reject a spam call, any spam call. You need to get an app that blocks them. You got to do all kinds of other stuff, but do not answer and do not block. Why? Because when you do that, they know that phone number, they now know that phone number is active. So they're going to continue to call over and over. And they've got number generators now, apparently, these days. And they just can change the number and just do it again. So blocking them doesn't even really help. Like manually blocking them. But they got apps that can help. That's what I hear. So from the range from this low to this high, we've pulled back to the 50% retracement. Let's take this off a log real quick. It looks a little bit different when you take it off a log. But I could definitely see us coming up there. I'd like a nice golden pocket bounce. I'd like it to complete the 5 waves, but bounce off of that golden pocket. Change their structure, get a pullback, and then get a continuation. So that's pretty much means not really a down year for Bitcoin, more of a sideways year, which would just be the same as 2025. Hose lighter overhead. Oh, because of music? Yeah. I know I block them and I give them hell. Yeah, that's why they keep calling. Fake sheriff, you live in Disneyland, Miller? You ever keep an eye on the USDT USDT.D and the US not really, not combined. I do look at the USDT dominance. Have we put in a bottom? The thing is, I've always brought it up, but I've never really done like a good back test on the USDT dominance. I've never like watched anybody like really do it. So I don't really know how it tends to behave. Looks like it's trying to create a nice bull flag here, which we've been kind of expecting. And if that's the case, you get a push here on USDT dominance. Watch out. That's some downwards price action there. This is why I don't add them together. They're basically the same. Not really. This is a problem. Could be a problem anyway. Bit of an inverse. See, that's the thing. I don't know how this thing trades at all. I mean, it's not really trading, it's dominant, so and you can see Yeah. Hey, Jesus, say 77. What's going on? Thank you for being here. God bless you. Love the stream. Keep it up. Thank you, Crypto Squid. Mad love. Thank you for stopping by. Let's see. Yo, LBC Band-Aid chart request into it on the monthly with yearly TPO. Okay. Let's check it out. Never heard of Intuit. Is that USDT? What is that? In it? Is it in it? Help me. Or is that Intuit like the? Is that a company? Intuit Inc. Into? Is this what we're talking about? Let me know, Band-Aid. I gotta get out of here in just a few minutes. Always stoked to have stream cranking during Asia. What's going on, Froth Dog Billionaire? Thank you for being here. You knew it. They live. Oh. What's going on? Alexo Crypto. Okay, it is a tax preparation service. Okay. What's going on, Alex? How you doing, bro? Thank you for stopping by. Mad love. You hunk of a man. You said monthly. What'd you say? Monthly with yearly TPO. Do you have a specific TPO that you use, Band-Aid? Runtime error? How do I change this? Not gonna lie, I've never looked at a yearly TPO. Because that's pretty wild. Hey, food back to visit the grandparents? That's awesome, man. For 5 days? Hell yeah. Shout out to Nono. Yeah, sorry. Sorry I couldn't get it for you. Oh, wait. I'm gonna break it. I did break it. Too much TPO. Alright. It's 10 o'clock. I gotta get out of here. Man, what a week. Sorry I didn't... Man, also, just real quick, another thing that is kind of concerning. I shouldn't say concerning, but I don't like this low here on the, especially on the monthly. I haven't even looked at the monthly chart. Ooh. So we have a monthly fair value gap that we are in. I don't really like this low on the monthly chart. But there's also no, this didn't take out a low. You see, we come down, we create a fair value gap, we come back into the fair value gap, and then it's all about seeing if we reject it or not. Let's go to the weekly. I know we've got a weekly FVG as well. Now this one, we actually break a low while creating a fair value gap. That's typically a, yeah. Yeah. Oh, we're in a tough spot, man. We're in a tough spot. I'm not really. I don't like rejecting the fair value gap. Yeah, I don't like rejecting the fair value gap, especially at the golden pocket. And that is, of course, from this high to this low. Leaving behind fair value gaps. So yeah, it's just about seeing if we can bounce off of that fair value gap, get to that 786. But from there, again, you create these nasty waves. Essentially, we would want to see this thing just freaking blast. And even then, you run the risk of getting a swing fail pattern. And then coming down to take all the lows. Hope not. Hopefully, I mean, either way, we can make money up or down. It's just that the moon gods won't be bringing us the gains. Instead, it'll be the hell demons bringing us the losses. Well, no, we make money on the way down too. We can short it if we need be. Up or down, we wear the crown. Close trading terminal until Sunday fun day. There you go. Just close it down. All right, guys. I do greatly appreciate you all. Thank you all for joining me this week, this evening, and yeah. Tomorrow is. I didn't get to say it last week. I don't even know if I got to say it the week before. Tomorrow is Friday, so make sure you go out and you give somebody. Try to give somebody a compliment. Okay, go give somebody a compliment. Tell them. Try to make somebody's day. Try to put a smile on someone's face, and try to do it with someone kind of random. Do it for a stranger, because sometimes the people that know you, I wouldn't say expect it, but it's just kind of it's different when it comes from someone you don't know. So. But also, hey, I mean, if you can give a compliment to someone close to you as well, that'd be great too. Just the overall point is give someone a compliment. Tell them they got great shoes. Tell them you like their shirt. Tell some dude that he's got a pretty gnarly beard or something. Whatever it is, man. Just go out into the world and be a little extra kind, and yeah, and then go out and touch grass on the weekend, and then come back Sunday night right here on Lunar Beaches and get back to work. So let's go enjoy our Friday, enjoy our weekend, have some fun, and be kind. With that said, I will, well, let's just say, please hit the like, hit that subscribe if you are new, and hit that notification bell to be notified if, for when I create new content, when I go live. Join the free Discord, link in the description. I'm not very active in it this week, so JR is holding down the fort, the beach house, and yeah, that's about it. So I will see you guys there at some point, and we're gonna try to do a Discord hangout this weekend. So be on the lookout for that and yeah, that's it. So thank you guys. I do greatly appreciate each and every single one of you. I hope you all have an amazing weekend. Have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical weekend, and sleep. And I will catch you all Sunday night. Mad love. God bless. Ride the waves. Bye.
Yeah. 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 Charts glowing in the dark, screens they like fireflies. Whoa. Wave riders in the deep end, yeah, we don't survive, we thrive. I can stare at red candles, never blink once. Whole market panicking, I'm like, this looks fun. Blood in the streets, yeah, fear in the chat. Everybody scream sell, I'm leaning right back. Hands off the wheel, yeah, no safety net. Price free falling, I ain't flinching yet. They say don't try this, say you'll get cut. I say watch me buy lows while you throwing up. Knife after knife, yeah, slipping through air. I'm smiling like I'm juggling, I don't even care. Risk on my chest like a badge of pride. If conviction was a crime, I'd be doing life. They say gravity wins, say the fall's too fast. I say pressure makes diamonds, not paper hands. While they pray for exits, I'm calm inside. I don't need protection, just timing and spine. I can catch falling eyes with no hands, no hands. I can ride this market with no plans, no plans. While they crash and burn, I just dance in the flames. I can catch falling knives, yeah, I do it for gains. I can catch falling knives with no hands, no hands. Line full confidence, still I land, wide land. Wave riders chant while the whole world cries. I can catch falling knives, I can catch falling knives. Moon guys watching from the shadows above. They don't want your fear, they want blood and guts. So I give them my doubt, yeah, sacrifice stress. Leave emotions on the altar, let the candles get lit. Y'all start whispering voices in my head. Buy when it hurts, sell when they're dead. They say I'm reckless, say I'm unwell, but every legend walks through their own hell. Margin call nightmares, yeah, I sleep just fine. Dreaming in fibs and extension lines. They clutch their pearls when the wick goes long. I'm humming the chaos like it's my song. They need confirmation, permission to sign. I just need a level in a little bit of time. While they freeze up, paralyzed by the sight, I step forward calm in the middle of the knife. I can catch falling knives with no hands, no hands. I can ride this market with no plans, no plans. While they crash and burn, I just dance in the flames. I can catch falling knives, yeah, I do it for gains. I can catch falling knives with no hands, no hands. Blindfold confidence, still I land, wide land. Wave riders chant while the whole world cries. I can catch falling knives, I can catch falling knives. Look, no fear, look, no doubt. Whole book read, I'm zooming out. They say don't try this at home, good thing my mind's already gone. No helmet, no brakes, just vibes and charts. Moonlight going off, higher time frames and scars. If I wreck, I learn. If I win, I rise. That's the price
price of dancing with falling eyes. I can catch falling eyes with no hands, no hands. Wave riders with me, yeah, we don't understand. Moon gods fair, let the green rain down. From the depths of the wick to the top of the crown. I can catch falling eyes. Watch me glide, no handlebars, just nerves of steel and pride. Say it's insane, say I'm rolling the dice. I can catch falling eyes, yeah, I can catch falling eyes. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah, I can catch falling.